Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Valorant freezing after Alt Tab on Windows 11. And basically what happens is that once you Alt Tab out of Valorant, maybe you want to go to Google or Discord. Basically what happens is that the game just it just freezes. Your mouse is moving but you can't click on anything, and you will see Valorant on the bottom. You'll see it open as well, but you can't right click on it and close it, and it's very annoying. And the only way to fix it is by holding the power button on your PC and force shutting it down. And in order to fix that, let's get straight into it. So what you have to do is you have to go to settings, system, display, graphics, or you can just open up the Windows key and just type in graphics. But anyways, from graphics, what you want to do is you want to click on change default graphic settings on the top. It's going to be in blue. And then from there, you want to turn off the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. And once you do that, go ahead and restart your PC. And once your PC has been restarted, the problem will go away. And this has been a confirmed solution. A lot of people have this issue as well. And once you do this, the error code fixes as well. I was actually having this issue as well. And once I did it, my error code fixed as well. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.